It's always amazing to meet people from around the world. I think all of us should do that. It was a good opportunity to meet people from completely different part of the world. And it's amazing to have a discussion with these guys from the perspective of their doing business somewhere, how they do business, how we do business, the tradition which we have 90 plus years, interesting for them. The open discussion, really. It's fantastic. It's refreshing in daily routine. We are completely open that we really let the students to go really down to the production to see really everything. Not all the companies, typically all the corporates, will never let you go inside and to see all the beauty of the production. And we are completely open. There is nothing to hide. I would think that this is the reason why they are coming every year several times. I think that what they value on us and what I would suggest or recommend to the other companies to be open, because to get the students and to put them in a movie theater room and then to present some presentation in PowerPoint is not what they travel around the globe here, I would believe. I got usually very positive feedback from the students, which is again nice to hear.